Okay, the next question is question number 13. We are given this set that is set A containing this about 4 elements. Then what we are asking here is we are asking just to describe power set of A. We know that power set of A means if we are given any non-empty set that's simply set A, the power set of this set will be again a new set containing all the possible subsets of the given set there. So that the first and the trivial element of this one will be empty set, because empty set can be any set or a subset of any set. And second will be a set containing only the first element of this one, that is -1, -1, 0, 1, and any two element, that is, for example, the first two elements, that is -1 and set -1. It goes in this pattern, so that the last set will be the set itself, that is A, because any set is the subset of itself. And we know that if A is finite set, the number of elements of the power set of every finite set will be obtained by using the formula that is n, where n is the number of elements of the given set. So that in this case the number of elements of this set is 4. Therefore the number of power set of set A is equal to the power of 4, which is equal to 16. Therefore number of elements of this set will be 16. And the last question for this video will be question number 14. Again, it is on a set which is related to that of power set of A. Especially what I say is let A be any set and power set of AB or P of A will be the power set of set A. Then explain why each of the following are true. We have 4 alternatives here which are true. So what we need here is just to justify or simply explain the reason why these statements or simply things are true. For example, if we start from the first one, A is an element of power set of A, because we know that power set of A is a set containing all the possible subsets of A, so that this set will be the element of its power set only when A is the subset of the set itself, because we know that every set is the subset of itself, so that this is true. So that this would be true because every set is the subset of itself. B, empty set is an element of power set of A. We know that empty set is the subset of any set, so that empty set will be the trivial or simply the first element for the power set of every set. So that this is true because empty set can be the subset of any set. Empty set is the subset of the power set of A. That means we know that this will be true, or this is true, because every set, empty set is the subset of any set, whether it is power set or any type of set. So that power set by itself is a set, and this is empty set. Therefore, since it is power set of any set, that is set is every set, and empty set is the subset of every set. Therefore, this is true. Here, A the subset of empty set if and only if A is equal to B. That means if A the subset of empty set, then A and B and empty set are equal, or A itself is an empty set. If A is empty, A must be the subset of empty set. So if we start from this one, for example, A the subset of empty set means, because this set that is empty set doesn't contain any element, it is a null set, so that every element of this one is this, but this set can not containing or simply doesn't contain any element, so that A by itself is an empty set, so that A is equal to empty set will be obtained. If we start from this one, if A and empty set are equal means A itself is empty set, so that if A is empty set, any set is the subset of itself, so that A can be the subset of the set that is set empty set. Therefore this is true. This is true. So that is all what I have for this video. But don't forget that subscribing, like, comment, and share with your friends and told them just to do the same like you. Thank you very much.